Hi there. When you're learning a song or playing a song, you often see the chords written like this, as a chord diagram. However, if you're using guitar tablature or tab, how do you recognize a guitar chord? Well, keep watching and you'll find out in this short beginner's guitar video. And stay tuned to the end to see if you're able to recognize my favorite open chord using tab. So what you're looking at now is a typical guitar stave shown in tab. And the numbers that you see are the frets that you need to play. And for chords, all the numbers are kind of stacked up on top of each other. And this chord here is a G chord. You may know that a G chord uses all the strings. And so there are 6 numbers here. A 3 at the bottom E, meaning play the 3rd fret of the low E. Then going up, we have a 2 on the 5th or A string, so play the 2nd fret of that string. Then we have 3 O's on the next 3 strings. And a 0 means that the string is played open. So the 4th string, the 3rd string and the 2nd string are all played open. Then we have a 3 on the top E string, which means play the 3rd fret of that string. One thing that you might have noticed is that it doesn't tell you what fingers to use, and you're on your own there if you don't know the chord. And if you need a refresher on any basic open chords, then check the link down below for a playlist. And here's another chord. And this one here, you can see we're only playing 4 strings. So the D string there is open because there's a 0. Then we have the G string or the 3rd string, and you can see a 2 there, so we're on the 2nd fret. Then the B string, and you can see a 3, so the 3rd fret, and then finally the top E string is the 2nd fret because of the number 2. And what chord is that? Well, that one there is a D chord. And here's a 3rd one for you to try. So we can see here that we're playing 5 strings. The 5th or A string is played open. Then we have the 4th or D string played at the 2nd fret, and the same with the G or 3rd string. And then the B string or the 2nd string is played at the 1st fret. And then there's the top E string with a 0, so that one is played open. Hit the like button if you guessed what chord that one is. Yes, it's an A minor chord, and kudos to you for getting it right. Have a look at this chord here. It's one of my all-time favorites. And if you can guess what it is, leave me a comment down below. Check in the link below for a video that I made that shows the absolute basics of guitar tablature. If you have any questions about this lesson or about learning guitar in general, then leave me a message below down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.